Hello.
Hi,
Hi, Mahesh. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm doing fine as well. It's good to see you again.
Yeah, same here.
Okay, great. And how was your day?
My day was fantastic.
Fantastic. Great.
Yeah,
Good to know that.
yeah,
What happened today? Any exciting event that came up or any
yeah. I
exciting news?
yeah, I went to a birthday party.
Oh, so you had a fun day today then.
Yeah, we can say
Okay, so was it a family member or a friend's birthday? It
it was like family.
was like family. Okay,
Yeah.
great. So, okay. You said you went to a birthday party and all right. So, do you carry presents?
No, I didn't.
Okay. What has been the best present that you have received so far
Mm, yeah, yeah. Once I received a T-shirt.
on your birthday?
Yeah,
Okay, great. Good. Even I feel very excited when someone gifts me, like t-shirts or clothes or dresses. So that makes my day. That's the best birthday present ever.
yeah. Because
Okay.
that the things we can use on
Yes, we
ourselves.
can use it. Yes, yes, definitely. And did you have your dinner?
Yeah, I had. What about you?
Yes, I have also done it.
So, what was in dinner?
Today we just had, vegetable sabzi and roti. What about
Okay. As I went to the birthday party, so I had malpue and
okay?
kheer
Mm-hmm.
and dal bati and
Mm-hmm.
pakode.
You're making me hungry again. Even though
Yeah.
I've had my dinner already, you're making me hungry again. Okay, so I think I have to have round two dinner now.
Okay.
Yeah. So okay, Mahesh, let's dive into the topic for today.
Yeah.
It's advertisements. Okay,
Yeah.
so like when we were kids and we used to watch content on television, right? So advertisements used to be very popular. There used to be some really catchy advertisements, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Exactly.
yeah, do you remember any advertisement that admired for its humor, or maybe because it was very witty? So, do you remember any such ads?
Yeah, I remember one advertisement like that, which is I think Nataraj pencil or anything pencil in which
Mm-hmm.
he apply his mang with that pencil, and after the husband die,
Mm-hmm.
and the woman tries to wash that mang, so
Mm-hmm.
he they were not able to wash that, and they as they try to so uh, as they try to wash them, and suddenly her husband
Mm-hmm.
got relive again,
Okay, he became alive again, not
alive
relive.
again.
It's alive
Uh,
again, right?
it's alive again.
Yes, yes, yes. And do you remember any advertisement that was very shocking for you?
Yeah,
Something that you saw and you felt like, OMG, what is this? What have they made? So something like that.
I think that recently that
Mhm.
advertising is broadcasting. It is Red Bull, I think.
Red
In
Bull
which the
advertisement.
yeah the cartoon comes and do something, and I don't know what were they doing, and they
Mm-hmm.
just end, and in end of the advertisement they just
Mm-hmm.
said it's Red Bull gives you wings, and that's all. So I don't
Okay.
understand that what was this
Mm-hmm.
advertisement for.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so the concept
They
of the advertisement was not clear to you.
Yeah, I didn't get that what they were trying to convey.
Okay, okay. So that is very important, right? If you're, advertising a product, the intention behind that must be clear. Yeah. And the message should be conveyed to the
Yeah, yeah,
audience. That's very important. And
yeah. That is the main intention of the advertisement.
yeah, correct. And these days we have all our celebrities, endorsing everything, right? From shampoos to electronic gadgets and online shopping websites. They're everywhere. So
Yeah, yeah.
how important do you think a celebrity's role is for advertising a product?
I don't think that celebrities play a very crucial role in selling of a product. This is just for
Why
fame
so?
that Because in today's generation
Mm-hmm.
or in today's scenario, everybody
Mm-hmm.
is aware of everything. It is not that old kind of generation that one is saying that it is good, then
Mm-hmm.
people will buy it. In today's
Okay.
generation, even
Mm-hmm.
even we don't buy anything if
Mm-hmm.
someone is famous celebrities
Mm-hmm.
selling that kind
Mm-hmm.
or endorsing that product.
Yeah.
It's so. Do you ever buy something that Salman Khan is endorsing that product? So you just
Mm-hmm.
buy it because Salman Khan is endorsing.
Mm-hmm.
Is that happen with you ever?
With me, not really, but when I was really young, okay, when I was a kid, I was a huge SRK fan, and he used to endorse this pen brand, okay, and I remember buying that pen just because SRK was endorsing it. So when I was really young, then yes, I have done all this, but since I got
Today it
slightly
doesn't matter.
older, it really doesn't matter.
So
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 as long
that
as
that yeah, that is what I'm
Mhm,
trying to say, that I
mhm,
don't think that a celebrity does matter, but as you
mhm,
say that when you were young, you
mhm,
affected by the role model of yours, right? But
yeah,
now you are not, don't have any effect of that
yes,
celebrities.
yes, yes, yes,
So I don't
absolutely.
think that celebrities they have some shares of, we
Mhm,
can say that if Salman Khan or Shahrukh Khan or some famous celebrity is
mhm,
endorsing something, yeah, it will affect to
mhm.
10% of that, but 90% depends on the product or customer's
Yes,
choice.
yes, absolutely. So absolutely correct. Now, so if you buy a product and if you like it, there are more chances that you will recommend that to your friends as well, and they will recommend it to somebody else. So that chain reaction
Yeah, and
kind of starts happening.
that is the main marketing, I say.
Yes, yes. So even you agree that's the best way to market?
Because we all, because we purchase the thing that our friend or family or anything, our relatives are
Mm-hmm.
recommending us, isn't
Mm-hmm.
it?
100% because we know that they have tried it and tested it, and
So
that's
think,
why they're
yeah,
recommending it to us. Yeah, correct.
yeah.
Yeah.
And if a
And you,
friend is saying something, you
Mhm.
purchase it, so we don't think of it twice and we just purchase it.
Absolutely. We don't think about it twice. There's no second thoughts, right? Okay, my friend has used
Yeah,
it. I can believe him.
yeah,
Let's also
yeah,
buy
yeah,
it. So that is
yeah.
called as word of mouth. Okay, this kind of publicity, it's called as word of mouth. It moves from one person to another. So you can use that
Right.
word. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And you mentioned that the Red Bull ad, you were not very impressed by it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, what do you think an advertisement should contain? What elements should an advertisement contain in order to become memorable or maybe even logical?
Yeah, they should be a little bit logical plus do
Hmm.
something that a person can relate to his or her life.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That should be the main content of an advertisement.
Okay. So, that emotional connect should be there, you're saying.
Exactly. Emotional factor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And apart from that, anything else?
Yeah, one advertisement when something advertisement are so funny that even we laugh after that.
Okay. Which was it?
Just say it's a 5 star, I think it's Munch. So in that
Mm-hmm.
advertisement, a old
Mm-hmm.
lady was sitting there
Mm-hmm.
and a young boy was sitting beside her and eating 5 star or Munch. I don't
It
remember
was five
properly.
star.
Yeah. So her lady asked her, is this boy to give him her that
Give
stick
her,
and
yeah.
give her his stick. So when he just chewing that chocolate and he just
Mm-hmm.
forget that and he didn't do that. And after that, the
Okay.
lady tried to pick that stick herself,
Mm-hmm.
and he just wake up and then something fall from
Mm-hmm.
the terrace, and he just
Yeah.
say, if he did that, I would be die. I would have been died.
I would have died. That's it. I would
Yeah, I
have
would have died.
died. I remember there's a big white piano, maybe that suddenly falls on that
Yeah,
bench that he was sitting on. Yeah,
yeah,
correct?
exactly that
Yes,
one.
yes, yes,
Yeah,
correct. And you said, na, he woke up from the bench. He just got up. Okay, you can just say he got up from the bench and suddenly something fell on that bench. So you can just say that. Else he would have died. Yeah, that's it. And what else?
okay, yeah.
So these advertisements, they have a lot of, some advertisements have a jingle, right? They have a tune, they have their own song, like a catchy song, like a jingle. So do
Yeah.
you remember any that's
Mm,
still stuck in your
jing-
mind?
yeah, we can say washing powder Nirma, washing powder Nirma. We can say.
Okay. So I have had this conversation
Who
with
don't remember that?
yes, yes, yes. This is the most popular actually. Any person I ask this question to,
Mm,
everyone comes up with the same thing. They
mm.
always remember Nirma ka tune. I think it's the crowd favorite.
Yeah,
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 the
that is the
people.
actually marketing is. That's how
Mhm,
the it is has been
mhm,
saved to people's psychology and mind.
mhm. Yes, yes, it has been saved in their minds completely. And even now they have remade that advertisement with different people, but I think the tune has still remained the same. I think I've watched it pretty recently.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
And finally, I would like to ask you, how true are these advertisements? Whatever they endorse, do you think all those features will be there in that product?
In today's scenario, I don't think so. It is so.
Hmm. Okay. Have you ever bought any
Yeah,
product by
they are
seeing an
just
advertisement? Okay, you want to
no,
speak?
not yet, not anything,
No, nothing. So whatever you've seen in an ad and when you
nothing.
bought the product, it has come in the exact same manner. It has, the functions have also been proper. It has functioned properly as well.
Yeah, it is same, but as they say that Fair and Lovely can make you glow in 7 days or 10 days. So
Mhm.
if it was true, then the whole South Africa has been the European.
Yeah, those kind of products, yes, I do understand, because
Yeah,
colorism, it's not a good thing,
yeah,
right? We
bad thing.
shouldn't bias again. We
Yeah,
shouldn't, differentiate between people on the basis of their color.
yeah, exactly.
And
So
that
now
kind of
Fair and
ad,
Lovely has changed
yes,
his
please
name to
continue.
Glow and Lovely.
Yeah, not his name, its name.
Its name to Fair and Lovely to Glow and Lovely.
Yeah. So yes,
Just
because
because of this colorism.
yes, so it's a very wrong thing. No? We shouldn't endorse all this. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
do you think children are more easily influenced by advertisements than adults?
yeah, exactly. Then I think the advertisement is
Your video got paused,
hello.
okay? So I was not able to catch that. Can you please repeat it once again?
I think the
Mhm,
advertisement is mostly
mhm,
for them because they only got influenced by
mhm,
the advertisement because as we adult we don't
mhm.
care about the advertisement as
Okay,
you said
that's
earlier,
true.
right?
Yeah, that's true. There's a word, okay, for that. That's called as kids easily fall prey to it. Prey is like PREY, okay, so you can use that. So kids easily fall prey to advertisements. So it like better vocabulary. So I just suggested that. Okay. So yeah, I
Yeah,
agree
yeah,
that kids are more vulnerable to all these tactics than adults. Yeah,
yeah,
because we have also been in that position. We know it's not completely true, so we have that kind of what do you say,
yeah,
that knowledge. Yeah. Okay. And
yeah, exactly.
yes, yes, we discussed about the great jingles, we discussed about the celebrities. Is there anything else, is there any other memorable ad that you can think of and you would want to discuss with me now?
Yeah, I would like to ask to you the same question. Do you like or remember any interesting advertisement?
Okay. My favorite, Amul advertisement when we were kids. There used to be an advertisement for Amul. Okay, there was the cartoon of a cute little girl who would just come. It was an
Yeah,
animated
yeah.
thing. I really loved that. Okay, I really loved that character, and would always look forward to that advertisement. So that at the end, that girl comes with that ponytail, one ponytail. So I thought it was really cute.
Oh,
Yeah. So that was my favorite.
okay,
Yes. So
that's
yes,
great.
Mahesh, again, great. It was fun interacting with you again today. So just a couple of suggestions. First of all, the pronunciation is advertisement. Okay, not tease. It's ties. It's advertisement.
Okay.
That's the first one. And I would want you to look up on the difference between do and does. Okay, you said cartoon do something. It's actually cartoon does something. Since
Okay.
you used cartoon in the singular form, so it will be does. Okay. If you had used cartoon in the plural form, like cartoons, okay, then it would have been do. Cartoons do something or cartoon does something. That is how it is. That's the difference between do and does. Is that clear?
Okay. Yeah, I got it.
Okay, okay. And initially, when you were speaking of the first advertisement, like I think the Natraj pencil that you were speaking about, I think you were again fluctuating between, past tense and present tense. So there was that collision that was happening
Yeah.
again. Yeah.
Yeah.
But towards the later part of the conversation, I think your conversation got much, much, much better. So I think that only happens initially, the initial stage when you're maybe slightly hesitant. But towards the end of the conversation, you were great. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So, okay, Mahesh, anything else you want to share with me or you want to ask or clarify?
No, why this problem is happening with me, that I got confused and stuck.
You are not stuck anywhere, okay? You never get stuck basically. It's just that you get caught up in this. If you feel like, okay, I don't know the correct word or if I don't know the correct tense, you kind of get caught up in that. That's it. Otherwise, you're very fluent. So it's just that now I told you now the difference between do and does and the right pronunciation. Once the session ends, you can practice. You can maybe make up a couple of sample sentences with do and does, yeah, and make some sentences about the past. Write it in the past tense and say it out loud. So just practice, and that will go away eventually. All these errors will go away for sure.
Okay, I'll work on it.
Okay. That's great. Okay, Mahesh. So I think we can wrap up our session now. We have a couple of seconds left,
Okay.
maybe. Yeah. Okay, then.
It was nice talking to you.
It was great talking to you as well. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Good night.
Good
Take
night.
care.
Sweet dreams. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.